Hello everyone, welcome to the Hindu editorial vocabulary, reading and summary, presenting by Diction Addiction. This is published on 31st March 2021, Hindu editorial, Good Neighbors on India-Bangladesh ties. Vocabulary, under vocabulary, we'll pick up the important as well as tough words from editorial, their meanings, pronunciation, and usage will be discussed. The very first word is commemorate. Commemorate. Commemorate means recall and show respect to something or someone. February 28th was 28th is celebrated as National Science Day to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect. Commemorate means recalling, remembering that and honoring it. That's what is called as commemorate. Liberation, getting freedom, free from the imprisonment or oppression or slavery. The Telangana liberated from Nizam rule. Bangladesh is formed and liberated from the Pakistan. Centenary, 100th year anniversary is called as centenary. Showcased means exhibit, display. So every kid is very much interested to showcase its dolls whenever someone comes to their home. We are all very much enthusiastic to show our skill, showcase our skills. Challenges. There are many challenges we do face in regular day-to-day life. Unless they moved away, we can't move. Emotive event means very deeply touched. It causes the feelings. Ceremony, formal religious or public occasion. There are many ceremonies are going on. Birthdays are also becoming ceremony. Funeral ceremony. Conferring means giving a title, degree, or benefit or right to the someone is called conferring. So they are conferred with the Padma Shri award. Conferred means giving to them. Posthumously, this is happens after death. Gandhi Peace Award conferred to Muzaffer posthumously means after death. Memorial, something was built like a structure or statue to remind the people, a person or an event. That's what is memorial places. Homage, deep respect and often praise to the people. We have paid homage to the late great leaders. Masquerade means killed in groups with brutally and no valid reason, deliberately. It's masquerade. Regime means government or administration. Under the regime of X and Y, these sectors are performed well. Assassinated means killing politically, religiously. A great person or a great leader was killed because of political or religious reasons. That murder is called as assassinated. Bolstering means bolster, means strengthening something. The ties were bolstered because of the president is visiting the nation. reversed reversed the mistrust by handovering the most wanted criminals to the to the India. Mistrust, lack of trust or dispute, distrust. Resolve means giving a solution to the problem, or we are determined to do something that is resolved. These points are resolved to act on them. Maritime means which is related to the ocean. Ocean-borne trade is called as maritime. Dispute, not agreeing or disagreement or argument. There is a dispute over the land. There is dispute over the case, properties. Joint, shared or held or made by more than two people, joint property. Statement, what is your statement on this issue? Means a definite and clear expressive about something is called a statement. Dented means showing low confidence or small, the confidence is dented because of lack of funds. Show small hollow mark in surface of something. Denting you can see very commonly to the cars with the small ditches. Impetus means encouraging. The forces with which body moves. Partial treatment of Hindus in the neighboring countries impetus the Indian government to get the CA. That's not maybe true. That might not be true, but they said it's one. Rally means public gathering with a single opinion for demanding something. Repercussions, unintended events because of which are happening because of the event of action. You can see the repercussions of violence after few days. Protest, a statement or action expressing the disapproval of something is called as protest. Reprisal, violence, activity against another person. Underline means you're stressing on something. Draw line under to give emphasis on something which is more important at this moment. Sensitive, easily hurt or damaged easily. Now we have come to the second section. That's a loudspeaker, where under loudspeaker we will read the article with a big voice so that we'll understand very deeply. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Bangladesh to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the War of Liberation and centenary year of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and his meeting with the Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina showcased the deep history of two nations share, their future plans and challenges ahead. At the events, which included an emotive ceremony in Dhaka, a cultural program, India's conferring of Gandhi Peace Prize posthumously on Mujib, and a visit by Mr. Modi to Bangabandhu Mujib Memorial at his hometown in Tungipara. The leaders paid homage to the nation founders. Millions massacred by the Pakistani military regime in 1971, and those who died fighting for Bangladesh freedom, including nearly 4,000 Indian soldiers. India's role in the creation of Bangladesh was highlighted by Hasina as she thanked India for its aid, and later for providing her shelter when members of her family, including her father Mujib, were assassinated. Mr. Modi wrote in editorial of the Hope for Sonali Adhyay in South Asia that Banga Bandhu may have brought about had he not been killed. The two leaders built on their December 2020 meet by bolstering plans for connectivity, infrastructure projects with a framework for cooperation on trade, along with other MOUs on sports, education, and disaster management. The India's Bangladesh ties in the last 15 years since Hasina was elected have been marked by new areas of cooperation and an ability to resolve the specific issues differences. Hasina decision beginning 2009 to shut down anti-India terror camps and to hand over nearly two dozens of India's most wanted, reversed the mistrust. Mr. Modi pushed to conclude the long pending land boundary agreement in 2015 and to accept the International Tribunal verdict in favor of Bangladesh that resolved 40-year-old maritime dispute, built a confidence as well. Other issues, if unresolved, could pose challenges. The joint statement noted the need to resolve the dispute over the Tista water sharing and six other rivers. The problem of Bangladeshi civilians being killed at the border has dented relations. The Modi government concerned over the treatment of Hindus and impetus for CAA were highlighted as PM performed two temple pujas and addressed a rally of minority Matwa Hindus. The visits raised the eyebrows in India as they took place even as West Bengal went to vote. But it became clear they will have repercussions in Bangladesh as well as protests against the Mr. Modi visit turned violent, with at least 11 members of the Hafazat-e-Islam shot dead by police and reprisal violence against the Hindu minority by Islamist mobs. The events only underline the need for deeper understanding on both sides of sensitivities of India-Bangladesh relationship, even as its many successes are counted and celebrated. This is all about reading. Now we will look at the summary. So Modi visit to the Bangladesh to commemorate the 50 commemorate the liberation of Bangladesh from Pakistan, and also centenary celebrations of Bangladesh first Prime Minister Muzaffer Rahman, who was the father of current Prime Minister Hasina. So Muzaffer Rahman was established a party, Awami League, in somewhere around when they are under the ruling of Pakistan. So in 1971, with the help of India, they have liberated from the Pakistan and dictatorship of the Pakistan. After that, he became a prime minister and ruled the government. Awami League is the most secular party in the Bangladesh. So this visit to celebrate that, and also the Indian government conferred the Gandhi Peace Award to the Muzaffer Rahman posthumously. And also Modi said that it could have been the golden age for Bangladesh when Muzaffer Rahman could have not been died or killed. In addition to this one, he also offered offered pujas in two temples, which shows that the governments are not taking care of the minorities in Bangladesh, and also that could be the impetus for the formulation of CAA bill in India. In addition to all this, there is a Muslim organization which protested, and during the protest, around 11 people were died. So they expected to attack the minority as well as their temples soon. So this, not only this one, the India is having good relationship with the Bangladesh because of that. So Hasina have closed the anti-India terrorist camps as well as handed over the most wanted people to the India. So all these things shows that they are good neighbors and they have issues. Some of the issues are solved, some of them are going to be solved, and they are deeply thinking about the challenges also. So this is all about the article Good Neighbors on Bangladesh and India. If at all you like it and you give thumbs up. For regular updates, just subscribe. Thank you all. See you again with one more video. Until then, bye bye.